Hi friend, this is Amit and here I am going to provide you very crucial information regarding the JEE 2025 or upcoming year also. As you also know, there is very limited number of seats and there are lots of students. So how many number of seats are there for every type of category? I will try to provide you the detail here. That is for NIT, Triple IT, GFTI, IIT, all type of college I will consider here, and how many seats are there that you can get through JEE examination in JOSA counseling or CSAB counseling. So here I will consider all category: general, EWS, OBC, SC, ST, and all category PWD, because in every category there is PWD: general PWD, EWS PWD, OBC, SC, ST, PWD respectively. So for every PWD there is 5% seat reserve is there. That is, if general seats are 100 seats, then 5 seats will be reserved for general PWD. So like this, there are lots of seats available. So here let's start with the IIT seat. So total number of seat I will tell you, but before that let me inform you the category wise seats. So for general, 6839 seat after including all 23 IIT of India and all the branches in that college, male female all category included, 6839. General PWD 355, EWS 1669, EWS PWD 84, SC 2492, SC PWD 146, ST 1300, ST PWD 68, OBC 4558, OBC PWD 249, and total number of seats in IIT is 17,760. Out of 2.5 lakh students who qualify for advanced examination, only 17,760 seats are available. So you can imagine how tough it is to be into IIT College of India, because among 15-16 lakh students, first you have to qualify for advanced, it is under 2.5 lakh students. Then you will be competing for this seat, that is 17,760 seats, and among these very few number of seats are in CSC group. So for every category, every branch wise information, if you want, you can comment down. I will provide you the information. It is for CSC branch, how many seats are there, for EC electrical, how many seats are there, so everything you will get. So no home state reservation in IITs, when all the students of India for a particular IIT will be considered same, and 20+% seats are reserved for female, that is 1725. So now if you talk about the next thing, that is NIT college. Before that I would like to inform you, if you want my proper guidance one-to-one to get into this college, NIT, IIT, Triple IT, GFTI, or any private top college, that is BITSET exam if you are appearing, Manipal, VIT, Comet K, AP, MSET, TS, MSET, or AEEE examination, or MST, CET examination, or any other college through JEE score if you are not getting the college through JOSA counseling. So everything I will be guiding you one-to-one. You can join my ultimate counseling guidance program in the description, link is there, or you can contact me directly on WhatsApp, and thereafter you can make the payment, that is required payment, and thereafter you will be getting the guidance until your final admission is done. So now let's continue for NIT college. Here is the information for NIT college. Total seat for general 9314, general PWD 487, EWS 2288, EWS PWD 130, SC 3389, SC PWD 185, ST 2033, ST 112, OBC 5980, OBC 311. Total 24,229 seats are there. Here in NIT college only home state and other state are available, that is home state other state quota is available. So if you are in a home state of any college, you will get the same college at less percentile or at higher score, high rank also than other state student. So 25-30% seats are reserved for female in this college also, that is in NIT. Now I will need guidance for all college across India. So once you join this, you will get the best college by the end of this year academic season, that is 100% sure. Guidance for JEE, BITSET, BIT, Nepal, Amrita, Comet K, SRM, and many other colleges like WBIT, JEE, KSET, STCET, GoodSET. There are lots of college and college counseling also, Jack Delhi, Jack Chandigarh, multiple counseling. So get best college and branch for sure, that is 100% sure, as I am having the 6-7 of years of experience, and best strategy and roadmap for each exam, how you should enroll in examination, how to prepare for that, and how to get the best result, and then how to get the best college with best fee and best branch as well. One-to-one call, message, video session, everything is available, and counseling be one-to-one only, then only you will able to ask all the questions. and until you get into the best college, I will be guiding you choice filling, decision making. That is very important thing that I will be doing for you. Personalized choice filling for you, what should be the correct order, decision making after each round, freeze, float, slide, what you should do, everything I will be guiding you. Now I will discuss about the triple IT college. Here is the information. For general, 3082 seats are there. General PW 134, EWS 718, EWS 20, EWS PW 25, SC 1096, SC PWD 50, ST 556, and ST PWD 18, OBC 1961, OBC PWD 106. Total seats 7746, and for female 800 seats are reserved. So now I will discuss about the GFTI college. Before that, let me inform you one very important information. It is only CSIT EC seats are available in triple IT. That's why in triple IT only 7700 seats are there. Now for GFTI college, general 4309 seat, general PW 200, EWS 430, EWS PW 36, SC 1579, SC PW 56, ST 100, ST PWD 27, OBC 2574, OBC PWD 91. Total 9400 2 seats are there in GFTI college. So these are the total number of seat, that is 9000 you can say in GFTI, 9400, and 7700 in triple IT. So total is around 17100, and then for NIT 24,000. So 17 and 24, 41,300, and then 17,000 is here, that is 41 and 17, 58,000. So around 59,000 seats are there, but total number of a student who will appear in JEE is more than 15 lakh. This year it can touch 16 lakh also. So you can imagine how difficult it is to be into the IIT, NIT, Triple IT or GFTI College of India through JEE score, because it is very difficult to get, and that's why you need to score more percentile in the upcoming attempt. So try to work hard and prepare well, and if you want my guidance, you can contact me whenever you want. Thank you.